from Natural Neighborhood and Natural Activist Journal at the Boston Tea Party 2010 at Fanwell Hall, and I am with Sheriff Richard Mack. I'm so excited. So tell me, what do you do, Sheriff Mack? What makes you so sheriff?
Well, I travel the country trying to let people know that state sovereignty is still the solution to federal tyranny. I also train sheriffs in their proper application of their oath of office. If we're going to keep this Tea Party peaceful and effective and successful, we have got to have sheriffs and law enforcement officers on board who know and understand their oath of office and their duty to fulfill it and to protect their citizens from all enemies, both foreign and domestic.
Oh, now what if I'm from a state? Oh, you can go behind me. What if I'm from a state like Connecticut that doesn't have sheriffs?
Well, that was a huge mistake. Connecticut should have never got rid of the sheriffs. They voted to get rid of the sheriffs, and they made a huge mistake there, but we're going to get them back.
Oh, okay, great. Now I work with my company is Natural Neighborhood, and I'm into natural living. What can you tell my friends who want to know more about how health freedom and freedom are connected?
Well, I've been defending that for a number of years. Even back when I was sheriff, I defended that. Recently, I went to Madison, Wisconsin to fight for and with a couple of farmers who had been attacked by the government for selling and dealing in raw milk. And that's absolutely absurd. And I use natural products and alternative sources for my health and my family's health, always have. And my wife is really into that. She works for a company that sells those products. And we have John McCain and people like that who believe that they should make those things illegal. And they'll do that over my dead body.
Right. Out of my cold milk